we need to be aware ukuthi izinto esizifisayo, izinto esizifunayo emhlabeni ziphuma kuphi, because i-universe has everything that we need. It's up to you whether you call it a universe, the source, God, the light, or whatever you want to call it. But the universe has everything in abundance, whatever you need. I-mistake esiyenzayo singabantu yokuthi sikholelwa kakhulu ukuthi amadlozi aphethe konke. Lento yenza ukuthi i-universe besithi step aside, ilindeleke ukuthi wena nedlozi lakho uzokwenza uzofike kuphi. Because remember ukuthi kwalona idlozi lidalwe yiyona i-universe. So i-universe is above, or we can say uNkulunkulu is above izinto zonke. And at the time when we are dealing with izinkinga zamadlozi, we tend to be sidetracked. Siconcentrate kakhulu kulona ukuthi ngizolenzela idlozi lami, ngizolibeka emsamo, idlozi lami lizongenzela konke, idlozi lami linamandla. And these statements siyazizwa sikhula, zikhulunywa ukuthi idlozi linamandla, ubani unamandla. Noma usuyakohlola umuntu akutshela ukuthi idlozi lakho linamandla, wena unamandla amakhulu kunabonye abanye abantu. Have you ever asked yourself ukuthi amandla ani, amandla okwenzani lawo ongitshela ngawo? Because mina ngize la kuwena ngoba nginenkinga, ngintshontshelwe imoto, angisebenzi, ngilahlekelwe umsebenzi, ngixabana nabantu, and then I come here uzongitshela ukuthi idlozi lami linamandla. Awani lawo mandla, because mina bengeke ngisuke ekhaya kuba bengingenazo lezi inkinga. The thing is, once umuntu akutshela ukuthi idlozi lakho linamandla, in your mind utshela ukuthi ngizokwenza noma yini ayishoyo, because kusho ukuthi into zami ezilahlekile zizobuya, yonke lento engisukumise ekhaya kusho ukuthi izolunga. Okay, fine, and I'm not disputing ukuthi idlozi linamandla, ulungile, linawo amandla. But there is a universe okuyiyona enamandla amakhulu even kunalo idlozi, ngoba nalo idlozi lidalwe yiyona i-universe. That is why sinalo mkhuleko othi amandla kaNkulunkulu mawehlele phezulu kwamandla edlozi lami kulunge izinto zami. Izinto zami angeke zizoyilunga amandla kaNkulunkulu engakaqali ehlela phezulu kwamandla edlozi, ngoba we are not disputing ukuthi nalo idlozi linawo amandla. Linawo amandla to the point ukuthi liyakwazi ukuyibhidliza impilo yami njengoba liyibhidlizile kanje. Angithi uyabona ukuthi ngalesikhathi usukumile ngoba libhidlikile impilo. Isikubhidlizwe yilona kusho ukuthi linawo amandla ukuthi likubambe, likuvimbele ukuthi uzolungisele khona kuzokwazi ukuthi lidedele. Idlozi mase lidedela impilo yakho kade liyibambile. It's not to say ukuthi likulethela yonke lento oyifunayo, but it gives you a space for you to connect with the universe. It gives you a space for you so that you can be able to strengthen your connection with indalo, with the universe, and ask those things oyifunayo ngendlela okufanele ukuthi ucele ngayo, oyaziyo wena ukuthi iyakulungela. Your connection and your relationship with the universe, it gets disturbed when abantu abadala bebuya, instead ukuthi bahambe endleleni yabo towards the light. It gets disturbed to the point yokuthi before abantu abadala babuye usukuphila kahle kumnandi, into uyicabanga uyenze, into uyifuna uyithole, ngoba i-universe isuke i-right kwi-positioning nawe. Kodwa make kwabuya idlozi kuyama konke lokho kube mnyama. So it goes without saying ukuthi once abalungisela abantu abadala, we need to release them so that kuzobuya leya spark and that magic eyenziwa i-strength esiba khona phakathi komuntu ne-universe. And i-universe inakho konke, akukho engenakho. And mase silungisile kumele singakhohlwa ukuthi in as much as silibonga idlozi, but okubalekile kakhulu silibongela ukuthi livumile langidedela khona ngizophila. I-universe yasiletha izinto kimina. Iphutha siyasilenzele ukuthi sibonge kakhulu edlozini, sesiyakhohlwa ukuthi i-universe ephethe yonke into. It's the light, it's the source, everything comes from one source, even nalo idlozi labuya kuleyo source leyo. It's another case where umuntu azolungisa idlozi lakhe bese liyafika lithi sengibongile ngizokulethela imoto, and then umuntu abese ayithola leyo moto. Nakhona futhi ngithi if uyiwinile kwi-competition then uyabona, kodwa uma uthatha imali yakho hamba wayoyithenga, that's another case altogether which is debatable. Angisho lutho kodwa ngiyasho. When it comes to idlozi nomdali ne-universe, we need to come correct singaziphazamiseli thina amandla ngokuthi at some point siyakhohlwa i-universe siphinde sikhohlwe idlozi, ngoba inkinga yenzeka lapho vele anyway. You need to create i-balance. Uthi noma usubonga-ke ngoba idlozi selihlehlile kwase kulunga izinto zakho, kodwa wazi ukuthi ngiyabonga dlozi lami ngoba nivumile ukuthi izinto zenzeke empilweni yami. Ngiyabonga Mdali, ngiyabonga universe ngokuthi uvumile ukuthi ngithole izinto, because wena unako konke. Uvumele mina manje ukuthi lezi zinto ngiyithole, ngakho-ke ngiyabonga. The reason why I am stressing this thing is because okuningi sizonela thina ngokungazi ngoba asifundisekanga. Mhlambe futhi abanye sifunda kubona nabo basuke bedukile naloko kumele sikuvume, kodwa siyesabe phela ukusho-ke lokho ngoba akuzwakali kahle ukuthi kade saduka sase siyalandela sadonsana-ke njengey'mbumbuthe kuze kube la. What I like though ukuthi once walapheka nje ngempela waba right, umsamo wakho waba right nedlozi lavuma, wathatha i-initiative yokuthi u-connect ne-universe through unlocking your chakras, uyakwazi ukuthi bese uthola ama-messages direct from the universe ozozizwela wena ukuthi ayi lo muntu lento ayisho yayikho-ke, uyabona le advice anginika yona ayikho. And then you are able to take what resonates with you. You are able also to understand ukuthi njengoba sibaningi kangaka emhlabeni ngeke size silashwe into eyodwa sonke. Khona bayolashwa yilokuya kulungile, khona bazolashwa yiloku kulungile. If wena lokho kungakulaphi kulungile, nawe dlula ngendlela uye kuloko kulapha okuzolapha wena, ozokuzwa futhi ngaphakathi ukuthi lokho-ke kuyavumelana nami. Ungayenzi into uphoqekile, yenza into ngoba uyizwa ngaphakathi, because in as much as idlozi likhona liyona impilo yethu, kodwa okukhulu kunako konke okuphethe everything in abundance is the universe. Okumele ngaso sonke isikhathi noma ngabe unawo umsamo wakho, umucele msamo, uthi uma ukhuluma nedlozi lakho uthi nginicelela ukuthi nihlale kahle kuMdali, ningabuyi ney'nkinga. Uthi kulo msamo kahle kahle umuntu ophethe kulo msamo is the universe. Lo msamo is positioned ngale ndlela oppositione ngayo because i-universe ivumile. Sonke singaphansi kwamandla amakhulu e-universe. If kukhona idlozi elibuyile ngoba liney'nkinga ligese lihlambuluke nalo lihambe liyokothokoza. Kungabi khona isizathu sokuthi kube khona idlozi elizohlala la, because idlozi malihleli lifikile la lingahambi, eyami impilo iyahamba.